I'm here with an amazing woman. She was my client in 2022, I think. I helped her to design the renovation of her house, which is this one, Casa Sonrisa. So she is going to tell you her experience renovating the house. So I have a couple of questions for her. The first one is, what made you decide to renovate instead of buying a brand new home?
I actually did consider building a brand new home. I looked at a whole bunch of lots, but after careful consideration, lot prices came to about the same cost as this lot with a pre-existing structure on it. The structure that was here before was not in the best shape, but it came with the beautiful view that I wanted. And with a really cool vision, I was able to take it and turn it into something that is truly my home. And with a lot less time and probably a lot less headaches and a lot less money in the long run.
Nice, very nice. How much do you think designing your renovation helped you with the construction process of the house?
That's a hard one. I guess you have a vision. I had a vision of what I wanted it to be. And then because I had that vision, and through you and I working together and putting it out on paper, we were able to see what it was going to be. And then also where we were able to make changes. And it was a lot easier to address issues if they arose while we were under construction. For instance, the bathroom, when we found out the walls weren't made of what we thought, we had to rechange the whole idea and adjust it accordingly. And we came up with a great solution. But I think that was all part of having a vision and then a process that we followed, and then being able to correct it on the fly because we could see on paper where we were and where we were headed.
Yeah, we were using a lot of our WhatsApp group. I was sending her a lot of pictures, a lot of options. So this was a really nice experience with her because she is an excellent client. And finally, what advice would you give to someone thinking about renovating a home in Nicaragua? I mean, in this San Juan area.
I would say think carefully. It is definitely a good consideration and a great option. Just because you see a structure existing doesn't mean that that's what it has to be. A lot of my friends honestly thought that I was crazy when I told them I bought this house as it stood. And then when they came over, they understood it completely, and they were completely surprised by what it became from what it was. So I think, but there are certain limitations to renovating. You have a structure in place, and so you have to be able to work with the structure that you have, whether that's adding on, changing roof lines, or changing structures, adding a loft, or whatever the case may be. You still have to be able to work with the structure that you have. So, but that being said, you can create something really, really cool that's all your own, just if you have a little vision and a little patience.
Yeah, she was amazing with her ideas, and to create on paper, like she said, we had to take all the measurements of the current layout of the house, and that was key to put what she was envisioned for the renovation. Okay, Pam, thank you very much for this spot. Thank you very much for everything, for the opportunity to renovate, to help you to renovate this amazing home. This is one of my best projects that I've been involved, and you are an amazing person.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was great to work with you as well.
Yeah,
I think we did a good job.
Yeah. Nice.